like, what am I supposed to say? Oh, you're supposed to say something. You can't just say. Oh, shite. Watch out for the spikes. I'm not wearing this classic attitude because I thought it was cute. It's alright. I guess I'm gonna be leaving this on, but it's alright, I guess. Me and my sister are kind of matching. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Did you leave by mistake? Because my thing was lagging before. Oh. I'm just trying to survive this. Thank you to the person who did that in the Discord.
I love you. I need a hug. I love spending time with you. Will you be my friend? I love spending time with you. I love spending time with you. I love you.
Guys, let's see what I look at. I hope it's something good, but I don't have any Robux. My sister is I'm a bunny? Oh, my sister's sleeping. Ah. Guys, my sister. What is happening? I wish I could show you guys this screen. It's crazy. It's so big. Oh, no, I'm thinking of this is impossible. She actually need a brain again. Why is it so hard? I'm a brain. She's still glitching. It's alright. It's a sky. She can still do it though. Yeah, I'm gonna reset my ass. I don't like being a phone. Yeah, but oh no. Huh? Get off to the other side. Why is that hitting me? Oh, shoot. I'm trying to get this ball to get it's trying to take it. Yes. We have a lot of balls. Oh no, she has so many people who can eliminate me. Oh. Why do we have cheaters in the game? Cheaters, stop it. Please do not eliminate me. I'm gonna try and avoid that kind of game. Because this is way not fair. It's not fair, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take the cat. I just cloned myself, so nobody will know. Where is my clone? Oh, those people are rich. I'm not moving. Nobody's moving. My clone better not be done. Mary, come on. Oh, she's under the thing. I think she glitched. It's got incident. My sister has that thing. Now she's able to make me slow if she wants. And I'm so slow in this ice. Oh, please don't do anything. Oh my god. Please, I beg you. You want, wait, huh? What? Say oh we ho, say oh we ho. It's on this. She took me Talk, say something. Oh, she just talked. You just talked. Yeah, because you're not saying anything. Well, that's part of the video. Oh my gosh. You're glitching. Don't try and take my present. Hey! You got the cheese. Okay, guys. Alright, get to the top. Oh, I can't see. I'm dead right now. Oh, why are people so annoying? Fine. Try to cheat. Cheating is the goal. So it's not really the goal for myself. Kids, do not cheat. How do you stop right now? Who did that? Seriously, stop cheating. Back on top. They keep killing me with this sword. I want to be the only one on top. So I'm just gonna keep avoiding them. Long story, and I died. The finally came back. It took you long enough. Alright. You have to do this last one. Okay? Really? Are you done? You just want to see it like To end the video by getting disconnected. Make sure to like, sub, and press the bell button below. Join my Discord server, it's gonna be in the description. And join my group. Hope you have a lovely day. I always want to make you smile. See you later, alligators.